Hello! We hope you're ready for day 11. That is so fast. Alright, grab your uke, make sure it's tuned, trim those nails, subscribe to this channel, and let's do it. For this song, you will need chord C, F, G, and if you want to spice a few areas up, you can use C7. But if you don't like that, you can stay on C anytime there's a C7 on the screen. And that would work fine. Throughout the challenge, I've been using my favorite ukuleles, and this one is the Bondi ukulele, and I had my friend Wendy paint on it. And what I like about this Bondi ukulele is that it has a really bright sound. So I'm actually going to strum very lightly because it has such a strong voice. For a strumming pattern, I'm going to try an accent anytime there is a rum-pum-pum. So I'm gonna do rum-pum-pum. So I'm gonna do down, up, down. But I'm also going to throw that down, up, down throughout the other chords just to keep that mood going. So we have so if you notice, I'm throwing that in there. If you would like to do that as well, then do that on beat 2. So it'll be 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. A newborn king to sleep. If you don't want to strum this song and you want to do a little fingerstyle, then what you can do is thumb, index, middle, and go down the strings and back up towards your face. So just hold the chords. That works as well. So get creative, have fun with it. Let's try and do a play along of this song since the chords are pretty easy. If you would like to stay on down strums, that's fine for the first time. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. Stay on C. F. Get ready for G. If you have struggled with singing and strumming, by the way, I think this is the song that will help you master that. The singing on this song moves slow enough that you could focus on your strum. Come, little me, pum, 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 pum. The newborn king to see, ba, 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 ba. So if you've struggled with that, use this as your song to help you strum and sing. Okay, let's do another playthrough of it. This is going to be an easy song. 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Thank you so much for being here and practicing today. If you liked this video, please hit the thumbs up button. It really helps the channel anytime you interact with the video. And if you can, I would recommend going back and reviewing all of the songs kind of as a binge watch, and you'll see how much you've grown through the challenge when you go back and do the songs again. Okay, see you in tomorrow's video. Sayonara!